Aisha, from where? Talk now, can't you speak loud?
Iresia.
Ah,
Iresia.
where?
Just they play. They
Oh,
play.
so you're from here?
They play.
I always come to my friends over here. But you know, I just order this car from Dubai just last 2 days.
Will you keep quiet?
I told them to just, I want to feel the car, so I just brought it here.
Can you say that kind of thing from your mouth? And
Will you like to join me today? Let's go for a ride.
No, I don't have a time.
You don't have time. Are you sure? But then, you know, big boys on the road, always I'm going to spend this amount. Forget about all that things. I'll spec you. I'm going to put you on the diary. Sika, students, your brothers all get some. You know, get. And me, I promise you, say, I'm going to give you better life.